Welcome, fellow travelers. If you're dreaming of wandering through ancient streets, uncovering hidden gems, and experiencing the magic of Athens, Greece, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing the 7 must-see sites and secret spots that will make your trip unforgettable. From iconic landmarks steeped in history to local favorites most tourists miss, we've got the ultimate guide to exploring Athens like a true insider. So grab your walking shoes, and let's dive into the heart of this legendary city. Don't forget to hit subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Seven, the Acropolis, a timeless crown upon Athens. Rising proudly above the modern bustle of Athens, the Acropolis stands as a majestic sentinel of history, a golden echo from the age when gods and mortals intertwined in myth and marble. This sacred rock, crowned with the peerless Parthenon, is more than just an ancient ruin. It is the beating heart of Greece, a monument to human genius, ambition, and devotion. Walking up the winding path to its summit feels like stepping through the veil of time. The air hums with whispers of philosophers, the footsteps of statesmen, and the chants of priests who once graced these heights. Every weathered stone tells a story of Athena's triumph, of Pericles' vision, of an empire that shaped the very foundations of Western civilization. The Parthenon, even in its partial ruin, commands awe. Its Doric columns, perfectly tapered to defy the eye's imperfections, rise with a grace that defies the centuries. Acropolis has witnessed conquests and rebirths, surviving wars, explosions, and the slow wear of time. To stand here is to stand where democracy, philosophy, and art once converged in a golden age. 6. The Panathonic Stadium, a timeless marvel of Athens. Standing proudly in the heart of Athens, the Panathonic Stadium is more than just an ancient arena. It is a breathtaking monument where history, sport, and glory converge. Built entirely of gleaming Pentelic marble, this majestic structure is the only stadium in the world crafted entirely from this radiant material, giving an almost ethereal glow under the Greek sun. With origins dating back to 330 BC, the stadium was originally designed for the Panathonic Games, a grand festival honoring the goddess Athena. But it was in 144 AD that Herod's Atticus transformed it into the monumental spectacle we see today, with a staggering capacity of 50,000 spectators. For centuries, it lay silent, buried beneath the sands of time, until the late 19th century, when it was meticulously restored to host the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. Walking through its arched entrance, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient cheers, the thunder of chariots, and the footsteps of athletes who once competed here for eternal honor. Today, the Panathonic Stadium remains a living symbol of athletic excellence and Greek heritage. 5. The Temple of Olympian Zeus, Athens' colossal relic of the gods. Standing proudly in the heart of Athens, the Temple of Olympian Zeus is a breathtaking testament to the ambition and devotion of ancient Greece. Towering marble columns, weathered by centuries of sun and storm, reach toward the sky like the fingers of giants, silent witnesses to a time when gods and mortals intertwined in myth and marble. This was no ordinary temple. Conceived as the largest in the ancient world, its construction spanned over 600 years, a staggering timeline that saw empires rise and fall before its completion. Begun under the tyrant Pisistratos in the 6th century BCE, it was finally finished by the Roman Emperor Hadrian in 131 CE, a man so enamored with Greek culture that he left his mark both here and across the city. Once 104 Corinthian columns, each standing 17 meters tall, formed a forest of marble, framing a sanctuary fit for Zeus, king of the gods. Today, only 15 remain upright. Yet, what remains is awe-inspiring. Gaze up at these colossal pillars, and you can almost hear the echoes of ancient prayers, the whispers of pilgrims who came to honor the mightiest of the Olympians. 4. Plaka. Nestled gracefully beneath the towering slopes of the Acropolis, Plaka is the beating heart of old Athens, a place where time seems to slow and history whispers through every sun-dappled alley. Wandering through its labyrinthine streets feels like stepping into a living postcard, where neoclassical mansions draped in bougainvillea stand shoulder to shoulder with ancient ruins, their stories etched into the cobblestones underfoot. This is Athens at its most enchanting. By day, Plaka hums with a gentle energy. Cozy tavernas spill onto pedestrian lanes, their tables adorned with steaming plates of moussaka and the cheerful clink of ouzo glasses. Quaint shops beckon with handcrafted treasures, from olive wood carvings to delicate Byzantine icons, while the occasional melody of a street musician's violin drifts on the breeze. Turn a corner, and you might stumble upon the Tower of the Winds or the charming church of Agios Nikolaos Rangavas, their weathered stones whispering tales of empires long past. Here, beneath strings of twinkling lights, laughter and rebetiko music mingle in the air, as if the very soul of Greece has come alive. 3. Mount Lycabettus, Athens' majestic beacon. Rising gracefully above the bustling streets of Athens, Mount Lycabettus stands as a silent guardian, offering a breathtaking escape from the city's vibrant chaos. This limestone hill, draped in pine trees and crowned with the iconic white chapel of Agios Georgios, is more than just a viewpoint. It's a place where myth, history, and natural beauty intertwine. Legend whispers that Lycabettus was once a rock dropped by the goddess Athena herself, intended to fortify her beloved Acropolis. Whether by divine slip or fate, it landed here, creating this towering sanctuary. And as you ascend its slopes, whether by foot along winding paths or by the charming little funicular, you begin to understand why Athenians hold this place so dear. At the summit, the world unfolds beneath you in a panoramic masterpiece. The Acropolis, majestic and eternal, commands the foreground, while the sprawling city stretches endlessly toward the shimmering Saronic Gulf. Lycabettus is a retreat, a place where locals come to stroll under the pines, where couples steal quiet moments, and where visitors pause to breathe in the magic of Athens from above. 2. Filipos Hill, Athens' hidden gem. Rising gracefully above the ancient city of Athens, Filipos Hill is more than just a vantage point. It's a sanctuary where history, nature, and breathtaking views converge. As you ascend its winding paths, the bustling streets of the city fade into a serene landscape of pine trees and wildflowers, whispering tales of a bygone era. At its summit stands the majestic Filipos Monument, a striking relic from the 2nd century AD, dedicated to the benevolent Roman consul Gaius Julius Antiochus Philippapos. Its weathered marble tells a story of grandeur, a silent witness to centuries of change beneath the Attic sky. But the true magic of this hill lies not just in its ruins. It's in the way the golden light of sunset spills over the Acropolis, painting the Parthenon in hues of amber and rose. Wanderers and dreamers alike find solace here, whether gazing at the endless sprawl of Athens or tracing the distant shimmer of the Saronic Gulf. Philosophers once walked these slopes, poets drew inspiration, and today, Visitors from around the world paused to breathe in the same air that carried the whispers of Socrates and Pericles. 1. Varvakios Agora, the beating heart of Athens. In the shadow of the Acropolis, where ancient history whispers through marble columns, there lies a place where modern Athens pulses with raw, unfiltered life. Varvakios Agora. This is not just a market. It is a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents, a living testament to the city's enduring love affair with food, tradition, and human connection. This is where Athenians come not just to shop, but to live, to argue, to joke, to savor the slow ritual of selecting the perfect ingredients for tonight's meal. The market has stood here since the 19th century, a witness to wars, economic crises, and the relentless passage of time, yet remains unchanged in spirit. It is democracy in its purest form, where everyone, from the wealthy chef to the frugal grandmother, meets on equal footing, united by the pursuit of something real. Varvakios Agora is a living, breathing entity, a reminder that in a city of ancient ruins and modern frenetic energy, some things remain deliciously, beautifully alive. So come hungry, come curious, and let yourself be swept into the rhythm of Athens' most authentic heartbeat. And there you have it, 7 incredible must-see sites and hidden gems to explore in Athens. From the iconic Acropolis to the secret corners only locals know, this city is packed with history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel adventures, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Got a favorite spot in Athens or a hidden gem we missed? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.